Economics, Sectors of Indian Economy, Part 2. In the previous video, we have learned about three sectors of economy: historical change in sectors, final goods, and GDP. Today, we are going to learn about the rising importance of tertiary sectors in production and why is tertiary sector becoming important in India. The period between 1973 to 2003, in 30 years, production in all three sectors increased. In 2003, the tertiary sector became the largest producing sectors in India. Let us discuss why is tertiary sector becoming important in India. There are several reasons to support the answer of this question. The first reason is that some services are required in any country as basic services such as educational institutions, transport, bank, insurance, defense, post and telegraph services, hospitals, police stations, courts, village and administrative offices, municipal corporation, etc. The government has to take responsibility for the provision of these services. The second reason is the development of agriculture and industry, which need the services as transport, trade, and storage. The third reason is the rise of income level of the people. They start demanding many more services like eating in hotels, shopping, private hospitals, tourism, and private schools and professional training, etc. The fourth reason is the introduction of new services based on information and communication technology. Now, these services have become important and essential. There are different kinds of people employed in the service sector. A large number of people engage as a small shopkeepers, transport persons, repair persons, etc., who barely manage to earn a living. Their income is not enough. They are mostly found in unorganized sector, whereas limited number of the people employed in highly skilled and educated workers. Therefore, it can be said that only a part of service sector is growing in importance. Let us see where are most of the people employed. A remarkable fact about India is that there has been a change in the share of three sectors in GDP, but similar shift has not taken place in employment. The primary sector continues to be the largest employer even in year 2000. The reason behind it is that enough jobs were not created in both the secondary and tertiary sectors. The production in industry went up 8 times, but employment went up only 2.5 times. In tertiary sector, production rose by 11 times, but employment rose less than 3 times. As a result, more than half of workers in the country are working in agriculture and producing a quarter of the GDP. The secondary and tertiary sector produce 3/4 of the produce, whereas they employ less than half of the people. In the next video, we will learn about underemployment and disguised employment. Thanks.